So somebody asked me the other day, when does chase season start? When does it end? And that kind of thing. And I had to say, for us, it never stops. We are constantly building or figuring things out for the next season. And it being December, it's at the end of December now. Being at the end of December, we've only got 2 months to get prepared and get ready for chase season. And it takes a lot of time, money, and preparation to get ready for a storm season that could log on thousands of miles. And our thousands of miles, we probably logged, I think, somewhere around the neighborhood of 15 to 20,000 miles last spring.